Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up scheduling on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can go ahead and log into your account. So what you want to do is to go ahead and log into your account, after which you'll be able to access your dashboard right here where you can find all the websites we have. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up the website that we want to set up scheduling for. So go ahead and open up the website, and it's going to open up your website right here in a new tab. This is a main page where we can find all the options we can access, such as website, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started setting up scheduling. Basically guys, what you want to do is click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. After clicking the edit button, it's going to open up your website in edit mode. Now we can edit our header, footer, and main section right here, and we can get started with adding scheduling. So to do that, all we need to do is just go ahead and click the add block option right here. After clicking add block, this is now going to enable us to add anything we need, and what we can do is use the search bar right here and find scheduling. So you can see guys, after searching for scheduling, there is an option that says scheduling. You want to open up that, and as you can see, we can go ahead and connect an Acuity scheduling trial account, so we can go ahead and get started setting up scheduling. This is the application that's going to enable you to start scheduling and what you can use to add to your blog. If you want to use a different application, you can go to the extension store and find the extension for your application that you want to use if they have it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.